So you're looking to make the ultimate fingerboard. I'm pretty much got it narrowed down to wheels. We got it narrowed down to trucks. Now the board company. Who's that? For me, it's going to be Workshop. Workshop is my favorite fingerboard company currently. Just the feel, just everything, just the vibe. And I really, really appreciate them. Today, I got the latest fingerboard from them. They just dropped it during Rendezvous, so we're gonna set it up, try it out, and see how it goes. Stick around. What's going on? It's Nova-kane back with another unboxing. We got that Workshop. Workshop just did a brand new drop. It's Chariot series, but these things look sweet. Super excited to put a new board together. My Dragon Ball Z Majin Buu, you can barely tell that he's even in there anymore. I got the Pyro wheels that are gonna go on here, and I got some dynamics with the white base plate. And here we go. Let's check out the new drop. Oh my gosh, the Chariot. New packaging from the last time. Now we got this new insert right here. See what it says. New branding. Check out the slaps that we got. Ooh, and then we got some new mini slaps. Really like that the bubble letters on this one. That one's really cool. That's the one that's behind the board. It's like I got a 34 millimeter popsicle deck today. That is cool. We'll put it together and see what we got, all right? I like the way everything looks together, aesthetically pleasing, and yeah, super happy. I mean, there's not more than I could say, you know. I mean, like I've been advocating for a Workshop for a while. Another W right there, fellas. Maybe eventually I'll get some board rails too, like I did on that one. Just, you know, preserve it a little bit more. If you guys like new setups, anything fingerboard related, hit that subscribe button. I will be busting out some other things that I have up my sleeve and see what we could do and go from there. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.